Bluebirds, are you ready for another letter sound? The next letter that we're going to be learning is the letter A sound. The letter A sound. A is a special letter because A can make more than one sound, but we're going to start focusing on the letter A sound, A. A. Can you say that with me? A. Great job. Okay, we're going to start saying it. Shh, so quiet. Ready? A. 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 Good job saying it quiet. Next, we're going to say it a little bit louder. Can you say it with me? Here we go. A. 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 Great job. This time, let's say it so loud. A. 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 Great job. I have some pictures with the letter A sound. I'll show you, and I want you to listen and see if you can hear the letter A sound, A. Ready? My first picture is so tasty. It's an apple. Apple. Do you hear the letter A sound? My next picture, so dangerous and sharp, it's an axe. Axe. Do you hear the letter A sound in axe? Ooh, my next one is scary. It's an ant. Ant. Do you hear the letter A sound in ant? Great job. Let's sing our Jolly Phonics song, Ants on Our Arms. Move your hands like you're brushing scary ants off of your arms. Here we go. Get the ants off. Woo, scary ants. Here we go. Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm, they causing me alarm. Great job singing the letter A sound. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.